Rocky?
మమ్మీ వాళ్ళ మ్యారేజ్ కి గ్రీటింగ్ కార్డ్ తయారు చేస్తున్నక్క.
Good, good. Very good.
అక్క నాకు ఒక డౌట్.
ఏంటి Rocky?
మనకు బర్త్డేస్ మ్యారేజెస్ రాగా ఎత్తు కూడా డే అనేది
ఉంటుంది రాకీ. మన ఎర్త్కి కూడా డే ఉంటుంది. మనం సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటాం బర్త్డే కూడా.
ఎప్పుడు అక్క?
April 22nd.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఎర్త్ డే గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా.
ఓకే అక్క.
Hi friends, do you know what is the special of today? April 22nd. It is World Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated to create the awareness for the environmental protection. The idea of the Earth Day was created by the Gaylord, a US senator from Wisconsin. This day is celebrated all around the Earth. It was first celebrated on April 22nd, 1970. Earth is our mother planet and also it is our third planet from the sun in our solar system. Earth is the only planet that supports life in entire solar system. Nature is created by God. God created humans to take care of our Earth. So it is necessary to maintain our natural assets in order to continue life on Earth. This year, the theme of the Earth Day 2021 is Restore Our Earth. One of the ways to save our Earth is plant a tree. We must protect our Earth from climate change and also from pollution. We should contribute our Earth by planting more trees, reducing waste, recycling and reusing things. Please save water and stop using plastic as much as possible because plastic is the biggest problem at present. There is a beautiful saying that is, the earth does not belong to us, but we all belongs to earth. Every person on earth must take a responsibility to preserve our earth and natural resources. Save the earth, save trees and save a life. Dear friends, save the earth, save trees and save